Kumbawa sensei.
Konbanwa.
Konbanwa, sensei.
Hi, konbanwa.
Konbawa sensei.
Hi, konbanwa. All right. So last class, we saw the basic, katakana fonts. All right. So was it fine? Did you see the Google Classroom? I sent a few links for practice also. Anybody go through? Yes. So you can practice with those links for study. Remembering also, I sent one, and also for practicing the hiragana, katakana. All right. So now what we will do is, right, we will go with Kahoot. Do you know Kahoot? Have you heard of Kahoot?
No.
No, sensei.
No, sensei.
This one. So where, right, you will be scanning the code from your mobile, maybe some other device, not with the same where you are listening to class, because it will be tough for you to handle both, right? So if you don't have any separate device, no problem. You can do with the same device in which you attend a class, right? So what you're going to do is just to scan and write. Okay. So you get the code here. You need to just scan it. Scan it or website and enter the game pin. This is the game pin. You can either directly scan it, it will take you directly, otherwise you enter the your name and you can Zoom screen. So is it okay? Please let me know if you have any difficulty, while logging in or something like that. So what about others? I want all of you to just scan or use this pin in this website. Vishal san, are you there?
Yes, it's
San. Okay, Nitesh san, I can see the name. Okay. Naveen san.
just connecting.
What you have to do? Select the correct answer. So you have to select the correct answer, and some jewels also you will be having. So collect them also so that your score will increase. Right? Not only the correct answer, but also correct the gems. Be careful not to collect trash. All right. If you collect trash, points will go down. All right. So you get your questions in your device. Questions will be there in your device. You need to select the answer. You can start. Okay. Kannan-san. Radha-san. And Sanchit-san ですか？はい。はい。Runner is also number, I don't, Erin-san, はい。おめでとうございます。So, おめでとうございます will be no congrats.
ありがとうございます、先生。
おめでと
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
う。はい。おめでとうございますですね。はい。Alright. So, now, right, if no, you master the basic, like hiragana only. If you master the basic katakana letters, then you can go on with the other forms. For example, no, today we will be continuing no with other forms. So if you have your textbook, you can follow from the textbook also. So under the basic forms, we have the 10 and maru. Yes, ne? So like hiragana, katakana also we have the same series with G, Z, no? Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Za, ji, zu, ze, zo. Da, ji, zu, de, do. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Right? So this and the next page, right, you have the digraphs whereby you have the combination of two kanas, right? So one is with the key E sound, mostly you will have it with E sound, with ya, you, yo. So ki plus ya, kya. Ki plus you, kyu. Ki plus yo, kyo. Right? Kya, kyu, kyo. So like the previous hiragana version, the S sound and this one, right? The next two, sha, she and chi will not have that Y sound. It is not, shia. It is sha. Sha, shu, sho, cha, chu, cho. Right? So these two, we need to be careful with. Similarly, if you put 10, then this becomes ja. The first one becomes, right? Ja, ju, jo. Other than these, right, we will be having the Y sound in it. So now I will put you in breakout rooms. So you have to discuss this page, which is digraph. You discuss in the sense, you need to see whether you can understand because it is same pattern like the hiragana one, right? And kindly discuss with this 10 and maru also. Right. So you have all of you have your textbooks, right? So that you can you need not share screen, but if you want, you can take a screenshot of this and also this so that you can share screen also in the group. If you want, you can share. Otherwise, if you have everybody is having the textbook in that group, means no problem. Yes, please move into the breakout room and just read and see, right? And check whether you are able to follow with the katakana digraphs and no 10 marus. Naveen-san, is it okay? Please move into the breakout room. All right. So now we have long sounds, elongated sounds. So we know, right? So I think no problem with the ten maru. Is it okay? Is it it's the same, right? Like hiragana, we have it with katakana, right? So now we will see with elongated sounds, like long sounds. So what did we do for hiragana, elongated sounds, long sounds? Do you remember? Oka-san, no, what did we do?
So,
Hmm. Ah. So what did we do actually?
Another A.
put extra.
Extra A.
We books class means we add the sound.
So we added the vowel sound third, no? So, but here in katakana, no worries. Just one hyphen or this symbol is enough for any elongation. For any elongation, we will be doing this. Right? So, what about this word? Are you able to recognize this katakana?
So,
Spoon.
spoon.
Spoon, right? So here, right, it is going to be spoon. Spoon, right? So this is elongation is there, but no problem. Right, in that case, it is going to be just the hyphen. Right, let's see another example. What about this one?
Kare.
Kare, right? Kare and re. This is elongation. So in katakana, it is very easy. So katakana, when you compare with hiragana, it is easier, right? So kare will be the curry. What about this one?
Kohi.
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 Coffee, we say it as a kohi. Coffee will be kohi. Yes, right? Kohi will be for coffee. So this is because it will not sound like English. These are English words which are translated, which are no in Japanese, but it will have the native slang in it, right? So you cannot expect the same way you pronounce in English. If you pronounce the same word in English, people might not understand unless they know it. If they know how to speak English and how to write, no problem. If they know the word already in English, they will understand. But the Japanese word for coffee, if you say coffee, or in native English style also, it might not be some words you cannot recognize it. So you must pronounce it in Japanese style only. So it is going to be kohi. Kohi. What about this one? What is this one? Cheese. Yes. And
Shava.
right? Shava. Elongation is only here, so you need not elongate. So this is for elongation. After long sounds, we saw small su. Do you remember? In hiragana. You remember for that ik sounds, right?
Yep.
So kitte, right? In katakana also, we have the same pattern where you will be putting that small su with the same, rule is same. Instead of hiragana, you're going to put katakana version, right? So let's see. So, okay, so Just a minute. Let's try to read this word here. It is a katakana word, right?
Ka.
Mm.
Ki. Ka.
Chi. And what is this font?
Ke. Ke.
Ke.
Ke. Ke. To.
To.
Chiquetto.
Uh-huh.
Tiquetto.
To. So to. So this becomes it. So chiquetto.
Chiquetto.
Ticketto.
Chiquetto.
Ticketto.
Chiquetto. So this also will always carry the sound of the hiragana or katakana, which is coming after it. So this is going to be chiquetto, right? Chiquetto. So we can say kippu or chiquetto. Both means ticket only, right? So the English word becomes ticket, becomes chiquetto. According to the native slang, it is modified as they speak, right? It is as they listen and they change it the way they speak, it becomes chiquetto. So we should use chiquetto only for ticket. Is it okay? Okay. So far, is it fine? Now I will give you some words, katakana words. You need to find it out. Before going in with groups, right? First we will do it generally, then I will give you some more words to do it in group. So what about this?
Indo.
Right, Indo. It is for India. India, we say it with Indo, and it is written in katakana.
Ragio.
Yes, radio.
Gio.
Or radio. Radio becomes radio.
Ragio.
Because, right, the spelling when you say RADI, so Ra, they have taken the Ra itself, right?
Yeah.
And this is a D. We don't have D. Da G only we have. We don't have DI, right? So that is why the G sound is there. Because we don't have DI directly pronunciation.
Okay.
Next one.
Sa.
Ka.
Sa.
Saka. Saka. Saka.
Saka. It is not a two because it is a small su.
Okay.
So you just compare the height. So here you can compare the height. Slightly it will be lower down. It's going to be
Saka.
Saka. Both the small su also is there, elongation also is there, right? It's going to be Saka. Right? Saka, soccer, right? Or football, we say, right? So Saka. Next one. What about this?
Ketto.
Kiriketto.
Yes, right? Cricketto. So cricketto is the right. Cricketto. You see the height is lower down. Right? So it is cricketto. Cricketto. Actually, it is starting with cricketto. Right? Next one.
Tenisu.
Tenisu.
Right. That
Tenisu.
it is there, right? So it is right. Tennis. Tennis. No elongation, no small. So there's directly. Tennis.
Tenisu.
Yes. Tennis. What about this?
Po. Pe. Po. Po.
Ha with round gives you
Yeah.
pa. Hmm.
Pan.
Hmm. What about this one?
Pan. Pan.
Pan.
So if the line,
Pan.
so yesterday we saw this rule.
Yeah. Paso.
Hmm.
Paso.
This is
Paso.
Paso.
Paso con.
And here it is going to be the vertical
In.
where we connect.
Yes.
So here if I put the horizontal line, it is no starting from that. So if it is vertical, it is going to be
In.
Mm.
Paso con.
Pasapon.
Pasophone. Pasophone will be personal computer. Personal computer, we will say pasophone.
Paso con.
It can be any personal computer, no desktop or laptop, anything, right? You can say pasophone.
Sure.
Hi. Next one.
Re. Resu. Resutoran.
Mm.
Resutoran. Resutoran.
Yes, right. So restaurant, restaurant, let's say, is restaurant. You get it with no ending. This is also
To. To.
Mm.
Dosa. Dosa.
Dosa. Okay.
Dosa. Dori. Doria. Sorry, yo.
Diri.
Sorry.
Diri.
Sorry.
Biryani.
Yes, right. So this will be
Yeah.
B with then gives you the B sum, right?
Biryani. Yeah.
Yeah, me. Right. So what about this word? It is hiragana.
Yeah. Ringo.
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 Ringo will be no apple.
Sugar. Migan.
And
Mikan.
Mikan.
will be right mandarins, oranges, right? What about this word? Katakana.
Chi.
Chi. Yo.
Chio.
Reto.
Reto. Chiocoreto.
Coreto.
Yes. Chocoreto. Elongation, right? So chocoreto. So L sound is then chocolate, right? So L we don't say, right? It is going to be re, chocoreto. For this one.
Ki.
Ki.
Will be no cake, will be no cakey. What about this one? Finally,
Kitte.
kitte. Right? Ringo, mikan, chocoreto, keiki, kitte.
In. Enbits. Enbits.
And pit.
Enbits.
Right.
Enbits.
N will be pencil.
Pencil.
Right. Enpits.
Horn.
Han.
Man.
Han.
Right. Horn.
Horn. Horn.
will be
Horn.
hook. Horn.
Sin.
Bin.
Sin bin. Sin bin.
Sinbin.
She in bu
Bin.
Oh, sin bun. Sorry.
Shin
bun.
bun.
Shinbun.
shin bun.
Shinbun. Oh, double quotes.
B sound, right? Next one.
Sukue.
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 Sukue will be
Sukue.
table. Table or desk, it is going to be sukue.
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 Kagi.
Kagi.
Kagi will be no keys.
Kagi.
Kagi. Keys.
Kagi.
So please read it once more, these words. So we will just call somebody. Hi. Yes. Nitesh-san, onegai shimasu. Please read. Enpitsu. Nitesh-san, are you there?
Hello.
Yes, please.
Enpitsu.
Mm.
Horn. Shinbun. Stuku. Stukyu. Kagi.
Sukue and Kagi.
Kagi.
Okay. What about this one? Do you remember anybody?
Okay.
Okay.
You've already seen this vocabulary.
Toki.
Okay.
Okay.
Is going to be with the A when you pronounce it, but spelling it is going to be ending with E. Right?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay.
Ka.
Ka.
Kagu.
Kaban.
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 Kaban will be bag, any bag, right? It's going to be kaban. No elongation, right? Kaban. So once more, we will pronounce all these. Hi, Divya-san, onegai shimasu. Divya Priya-san.
Ring. Yeah.
Mm.
Ringo. Kan.
Mm.
Chocoreto. Keki. Keki.
Mm.
Kite.
Kitte.
Kite.
Mm. Yes, Amarnath-san. Yes, Amarnath-san, please read the next slide. Enpitsu. Enpitsu.
Inpitsu, horn,
Horn.
horn.
Shinbun.
Shinbun,
Tsukue.
Tsukue, Kagi.
Kagi. Very good. Yes, Saravanan-san, please read this again. Enpitsu.
Enpitsu. Horn. Shinbun. Tsuke.
Tsukue.
Kagi.
Kagi.
Tsukue. Kagi.
Kagi. So kagi, if you say, it means a ka is elongation, right? But it is a kagi only, right?
Okay, okay.
Yes, what about this? Aishwarya-san?
So, okay.
Mm,
Kaban.
Kaban, right? So anybody is having any doubts so far? Okay. So now I will just give you some words so that try to read it in the breakout room and then we will know, check. Mhm. So please take a screenshot. Right, so please take screenshot and now you will move into the breakout room. One person in the breakout room will share screen so that others, you know the group already, right? You know which group you were already. So one person will share screen. And others, you can discuss, right? Hi. Please move into the breakout room and start discuss. Harish-san, please move into the breakout room. All right. So now let's check. What about the first word?
Machi.
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 Match. Machi. Yes, ne.
I
Ice
ice cream.
Ice
Ice
cream.
cream.
Yes. Ice cream. Ice cream. Cream. Yes, ne. Next one.
Purado.
Raido potato.
Raido potato.
Potato.
Fried potato.
Fried potato.
Fried potato.
Fried potato. Ice cream. Ice fried potato.
Fried.
So there's a fried potato.
Konbini.
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 Convenience is a convenience store.
Yeah.
So you have a 24/7 stores, right? So we call it as convenience stores or combini.
Fried potato means outside.
Fried potato is French fries.
Konbini.
All right. So this is konbini. So konbini also okay, or kombini also okay, because right, this n or n sound, right, we can change that particular sound to n or m. If you have the following kana sound, in that case you will pronounce it with m. So you can pronounce this as n, konbini, or kombini also okay, because the third katakana is b. B sound is there, b. So the pronunciation will change to kombini. Both are okay, right? If you say n sound also, the word won't change. Kombini sound, it's going to sound like similar only. But this will be the B sound is there. So this particular font will be pronounced as M, kombini. What about the next one?
Pineapple.
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 Yes.
Pineapple.
So it is going to be the dipping sound. Ip. Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Yes. Next one.
Erebeta.
Erebeta.
Erabeta. So it is going to be elevator, right?
Hi. Okay.
Next one.
Esukareta.
Sukureta.
So it's going to be escalator. Okay, then we will see later, because we need a new font. All right, this we will see after some
And
time.
then what is meaning of the above two?
Elevator and escalator.
Erebeta.
Lift, right? Elevator and escalator.
Okay. Elevator. Erebeta. Sukureta. Okay.
So escalator and right, elevator. What about this one?
Sandoichi.
Sandwich.
Sandoichi.
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 Actually, sandoichi.
Sandwich.
Sandoichi.
For sandwich, we say
Sandwich.
Sandwich.
Oh.
what about the next word?
Sarariman.
Sararima.
Riman.
Salaryman.
Oh, Harari man. Oh,
Salaryman. Next one.
Torak.
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 Truck. No, we say
Torak.
truck. We don't have we don't have R sound, right? Truck we don't have. So we change
Torak.
separate and RE separate. So thorak.
Torak.
What about the next one?
Sarada.
Sarada.
For salad. So salad we must memorize, right? Sarada.
Sarada.
A little different, right? Sarada.
Sarada.
What about the next word?
Koso.
Computer.
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 U elongation and ta computer, right?
Computer.
So we saw that or sound, right? One rule, what did we see? It should have the B sound.
Sound and
It can also have P sound. So here you have poo. So before poo, right, you put M. So it can also sound as computer.
Hi.
So B and P sounds, if you have the following kana with B and P sound, the changes to Same spelling, the letter is same, but pronunciation will change. The computer. Right, what about the next one?
Gugu.
What will be this word? Google, right? Google. Next one. We don't have this. We have not seen this sound also, I think. What about the next word?
Okay.
Pu.
Pa. Pu.
Oh. Su. Which one?
Right. What about this word?
Program.
Program. Next.
Sumaho.
Say it as a sumaho.
Iso.
Inderi.
Intelligence.
We have not seen this. No, this also we will do after some time, right? What about the next one? That app, we say app, application, app. So in short, in Japanese, we say appuri. Mobile app. Okay, next we will leave it. We will go to the last one.
Konso.
Computer
Computer
science.
Computer
science.
science.
Computer
Computer science.
Yes, right.
Science.
Computer science. So here, right, again, P sound, no, we have already. So you can use this pronunciation of M also. Computer science.
Science.
All right. So mostly when you read the word, you will be able to guess it. Sometimes you must memorize, for example, Sarada, Torak, right? So certain words, Maho, and all, you need to know it, right? So now, we will see some special letters which are in katakana. Apart from the basics, right, we have some other katakana letters which are there in the other languages, right? So we don't have these sounds in hiragana. So be careful. We must be aware of it. We don't use these sounds in hiragana, but we will be, using this in katakana only, right? So for example, right, we know she, this is going to be she. We are going to combine she plus a to get she, right? She plus a gives you she. So for example, right, Shakespeare, we have the pronunciation she. So this she, we don't have it in native Japanese word. So we will not be using this for hiragana sounds. Only for katakana, we have this particular special letters. All right. So how do you pronounce the name? Just spell it. She, E,
Shaky.
shake.
Kusu.
Shakespeare.
Can you move the image?
It's Shakespeare.
All right. So finally, you see, in English, you end with R, the spelling, right? But here, only the sound. Shakespeare, you don't have the R sound, so you're not having it in this spelling. What about the next word, right? K with tenten gives you J, right? With she series, we put tenten and we change it into the J sound, right? So with K, you put tenten and that becomes J. So this is going to be jet coaster. Jet coaster, we will say it as
Jeto.
Kosuta.
Kosuta.
Jet
Kosuta. Ta.
Jetto.
Jet Tokosuta. All right, jet coaster. Jet coaster is nothing but roller coaster. We also know say it as a jet coaster. Jet coaster. What about the next one? Chi plus A, right? Chi plus A gives you che. So this is going to be chess. Chess. So combinations with A, she, J, and che. Chess. Okay, chess. Hi. What about the next one?
To.
This is a to.
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 To plus u. two,
two,
two. So here, right, this two, you can put it as a TU or TWU. It is given for the typing. The English Romaji is, we call this as Romaji. We give it for typing. So you can either type TU directly or TWU also. It gives you this particular font. So for example, what is this word?
Tattoo.
ta,
Tattoo.
tattoo,
Tattoo, elongation.
tattoo,
So it's going to be tattoo. Tattoo. We don't know TO, we pronounce it as a two. So we have this two here. Similarly, if you put 10, it is going to become du. Du. So what is this word now? What is this word?
Hindu.
Hindu. What's the-
Hindu,
Hindu.
Du, right?
Du.
Du.
Hindu.
So this is a no kyo, which is
Gi.
kyo,
Gyo.
Kyo.
Gyo.
kyo,
it is not kyo. It is elongation. Kyo.
Hindu.
Kyo.
Kyo.
kyo,
Yeah.
Hindu.
Hindu kyo, which means Hindu religion. But here you have this is no combination of katakana word and hiragana word together. All right. All right. Now the next special no letter, it is going to be T. T. So it is a combination of Te plus E. Te plus E, T. So here, what is this word now?
Pa. Ti.
Pa and elo-
Party.
Very good. Pa,
Party. Party.
party, right? Party. So DHI also okay. TI also okay. When you type, but when we say it is THI, party. Pronunciation will be with THI. If you put 10, that becomes D sound. T with 10, D. So what is this particular word? So do you recognize this place?
Disney
Di.
World.
Dizu.
Disney.
Dizu.
Right?
Disney.
Zu.
Rando.
Ni.
Disneyland,
Disney. Now land. Now land becomes Rando.
Disney.
Rando.
Rando.
Disney. Disney. Ran.
So it is going to be Disney Rando.
Disney Rando.
So land, L sound, right? We will change it into R. So Rando. And land, the sound we don't have. So we change it into Do. Rando. Right. Now with the F sound, fu, right? This is fu. Fu with A gives you fa. Fu with E gives you fi. Fu with A gives you fe. Fu with O gives you fo. So this is fa, fi, fu. Fu already we have. Fe, fo. Right? So now let's see the words. So what about this word? Fu with A.
Fai.
Hmm.
Fairu.
fire,
Fairu.
Fairu.
File.
Fire.
Right? File. Files. File.
Fire.
This will be
Fai.
Fai.
To.
Fayan. Fayan. Rando.
Kianto.
So this is fa, right? So it is
Right.
5. The second letter is fi.
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 Fiato.
Finrando.
Very good. Finrando. Finland, we say, right? Rando is again
Ha.
land. Finland.
Mm.
What about fe?
Facebook.
Face.
Facebook.
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 Right.
Facebook. Right.
Okay.
Facebook will become Facebook. Book will be book. Small so. Next one.
For
Forodo.
Foroda.
Foruda.
Forodo.
Foruda or Foruda. Also okay. Here we have the elongation. Foruda also okay. The elongation with the da also okay this. So Foruda or Foruda folder.
Oh.
All right. So fire. Finrando. Facebook. Foruda.
Roda.
What about this one? W-I-V. W-A-M-W-E. We. Right? So W-O. Wo. So we wear wo. We wear wo. So what is the combination here you have?
You.
Oh.
U. I. U.
U.
I.
V. U. A.
You plus
We.
I. You plus I
Plus I.
O, right?
plus I. You. Yeah.
So it is we wear wo. So we had this in the reading, right? So let me share it. This particular word. We. This is W I. We.
I.
So this is for week. Week.
Week.
Golden week. Golden.
Gorudan. V.
Golden week.
So we have Golden Week in Japan. So what is Golden Week? Anybody, do you know it? Please share with us if you know Golden Week.
Says, I heard about it like in a game that it comes in March, I think, in March or April.
February.
It's a Sakura or doll festival. I don't.
Okay, so it is nothing but a set of national holidays. Continuously, they'll be having holidays in that particular week. So they considered it. And I think, some national holidays whereby you get the emperor's birthday, or I'm not sure. Some national holiday set of continuous holidays will be there. So that is why it is considered Golden Week.
Yeah, it's a long holidays, ma'am.
Long holiday.
It's actually, yeah. It's like continuously every school and every office they give off. I think for 1 week, I think Golden Week. So it's like, as you said, it's emperor birthday, and then they collaborate with those days, and they will give. It's like it comes under June something. Yeah, June, May,
April.
Yes, in between
April.
all.
Yeah,
April, May.
29, like end week of April and first week of May.
Yes, right. May.
Yeah, they give that. So it's
Hmm.
like take rest for 1 week. Yeah, completely.
Yes. All right. Okay. Now, similar to now W sound, we have V sound also. Va, vi, ve, vo, all of that. For that, no, we need to see a new letter, which is this. So we have 10th, but we did not see 10th for vowels. But now we are going to see the 10th for a vowel. This is U, right? U plus 10th gives you Vu. Only for katakana, right? So this is Vu. So this Vu plus A gives you Va. Vu plus E gives you V. Vu plus A gives you Ve. Vu plus O gives you Vo. Right? For words where you have these sounds, Va, Vi, Ve, Vo, we can use it. This is one new sets. But what normally we do is we replace it with Ba, Bi, Bu, Be, Bo, which already we have. For example, right, in names also, right? Let me see. Anybody know with we have Vishal son, right? So if his name is V, right? So you can use this V also, or usually, Japanese people tend to write it with this because it is easy. Already we have this sound there. So this V sound is replaced with B sound. So this name will be written as Vishal. Because we already have the Babi Bu Bebo, so it is not difficult to learn because you have to learn this new series additionally. But if you're very strict, I want the same sound, you can use this. Right? But what I think is you can stick on with this because since everybody Japanese people use this pattern, it is easy for us to follow what is followed already. So we can also stick on with this. Right? So we can write it as a Bishal. So if in your name you have that V, Ve, Vo sound, you replace it with B or Ba, Bi, Bu, Be, Bo, these series. Easy to write it also. All right. So in this case, right, Il we don't have, right? We are going to put with Ir also we don't have at the end. So it's going to be Visharu, Visharu-san. So the name, right? This will be his spelling, Visharu. So now you can turn your word into katakana spelling, your name actually, into katakana. The way to do it is don't translate it from English spelling. Pronounce it and then write it. Because if you want an elongation in your name, if you know, for example, right, Loganathan son. So Loganathan, right? Now you stress, right? Loganathan son, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
So L sound, we will change it with the R. So Ro, Ka, Na, Tan. So Roganathan. So the stress is here when you pronounce. So you put the elongation. Pronounce the word and then put the stress. If you change it from the spelling, it won't work that much. So pronounce your name and then try to write it. So now we will see typing. So that after class, you will be able to type your names. I will create a special folder in Google Classroom. In that comment section, right, please type your name in English, then corresponding name in katakana. All right, then I will check it. All right.
What about
Yeah.
My name is coming in ATH.
Can you please repeat?
My name is Kapita Amarnath in ATH.
Your name is?
Amarnath.
Amarnath.
Yeah.
It we don't have, right? Amarnath. Amarnath. Ittu you can put. Amarnath. This. Tu.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
For T.
T also you have, right? We don't have a. You have a T. Just now we saw, right? Pati. You can use this. So you go through the special sounds again, and then you try to frame it. I will also check it, so no problem if it is wrong also, right?
Okay, fine.
I will.
Okay.
Right. So now, right, we will go on with the typing, and you just you can also type and check it. So if you already have your fonts, no problem. Installed, no problem. Otherwise, right, you can generally search for language in your system. Just to search language, and it will take you to the language settings, right? So there you add preferred language. You click on this plus symbol, add a preferred language, and type Japanese. So you should have Wi-Fi connection, definitely. All right. Because you are now attending the class, you can just do it in the system now itself. So add the language now. All right. Add a preferred language. Type Japanese. You will see the Japanese in kanji. And then you start installing it. After installation, it will ask you to restart. It will take some time, right? So after that, kindly restart it. Restart your system and join back the class again. All right. So first, let me show you. After you restart, you will find ENG in the taskbar here, which means you have English language there. If you want to change it into Japanese, when you click on this ENG, it will when you click on this ENG, it will show you these options where you have Japanese IME, Microsoft IME. When you click on this Japanese IME, it will change to J. ENG was there, right? It will change it into J, telling the language has changed into Japanese mode. In Japanese mode itself, you can type in English if alphabet A is displayed next to it. Click on that A. Over that A, when you move and click, it will change into Hiragana A. So when it is in Hiragana A only, if you type, it will give you Hiragana fonts. Right? When you right click on this Hiragana A, right click, it will give you this pop-up, and there you can check katakana. When you click katakana here, then you can type katakana fonts. Right? So you can toggle between hiragana and katakana. And English also in this Japanese mode. So first, now just install, go to languages, install Japanese language. It will take some time for typing, speech recognition and all. It will take some time to install. So let it install. Then it will ask you to restart. So please restart your system. Otherwise, some might not work. These changes might not happen if you don't restart. So please restart once and then join back class again. So how many of you don't have your PC or either laptop or desktop? Anybody there? You don't have laptop, you don't have desktop. Everybody is okay with the laptop or desktop?
Since today I'm using my tablet, I have the Japanese language installed, but it's just hiragana right now.
So tablet, okay, but you have your laptop or desktop? You have your own PC?
Yeah. I do. It's just not with me today, so that's why I'm using my tablet.
No problem, but in future, please install, check it also. All right? Yes, please restart. And those who are not having your system, your PC now, it is not a problem. You can try it with other gadgets also. you have a different way of setting. Like you normally install a language in your mobile, you can install, right? Japanese language also and check it. But make sure that you install in your PC also later. All right. So you can restart. You can leave the class, restart. If it is asking restart, you leave and you can restart the system and join back. Those have already installed the fonts, you can you can just open a document, empty document, and start typing the words we saw so far: kaban, okasan, chocoreto. So type and see, different words in katakana and hiragana. Just take a fresh document and just type it. Then you can share how far you have typed. All right, you can share screen. All right, so after typing, copy and paste it in the chat box so that it is like a confirmation that you are able to type. So I can observe that also. In chat, kindly select my name and then send it, right? After typing, you can directly type in the chat box or you can open an empty document, type and copy paste. Yes, Bhavatani-san. Okay. Bhavatani-san, just try katakana also. Harish-san also. Please type katakana words also.
Sensei, how to type N, Sensei,
Yes, yes.
laptop?
Double N. N you have to press.
Double end.
Okay.
Yes, I will show you that also. So for the fonts, right, have a separate folder. You can download it later also for typing. Just a minute. All right. So for these special characters, you have options, right? You can type this way. And for right, you have to type twice of. Yes, Divya Priya-san, very good. Yes. So is it okay with the hiragana, Divya Priya-san? Please type hiragana words. So while typing, right? So if it is, just a minute. Words like small su we have, right? When you type itself, it will automatically change. If you type KITT, no, kitte, kip, no, automatically you will get the change. For example, right? So if it is kip, ki, pp, u. So automatically it will change. So one more thing, which you need to keep in mind, when you type, it will give a possible kanji also. So for example, right, kitte, when you type, right, stamps, it will first give you the possible kanji options, it will give you drop down. So what do you do is when you click on space immediately, it will change to its kanji and options. If you want to leave space, you have to click enter and then only space. Click enter and then space. For every word, we have to do this. After you type one word, if you want to leave space, you click enter and then space. All right. Anybody using Mac? If you're using Mac, settings are slightly different. And instead of enter, you need to press return. That is all. If you're using Mac, please let me know. Yes, Aishwarya-san, very good. Yes, Radha-san also very good. Yes. So if you're okay with it and you don't have any doubts, and you have typed something, you have typed it in the chat box, then you can leave. No problem. That is all. Today we will do only typing. So you practice other letters also in typing. All right. Right. So after entering the words in the chat box, no, you can leave. So Bhavadharni-san, Divya Priya-san, Aishwarya-san, Radha-san, if you don't have any doubts, you can leave. Divya-san, Mikan, N, you have to press it twice, 2 times.
Yeah. Yes.
Arigato, sensei.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigato, sensei.
Yes. So those who joined, you please type something in the chat box. Let me know that typing is okay. Type some words in the chat box, the words we saw today, 1 or 2 words. Confirm it, and then after checking, you can leave. Sanchit-san, about katakana word.
Sumimasen, sensei. I got misclicked.
Okay. Is it working with katakana also?
Hi. Yes, I am typing now in hiragana, sensei.
Nitesh-san, yes, Ram Kumar-san, very good. Yes, you can leave. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Sensei, I have typed my name. Is it?
It is a combination of hiragana and katakana, right? So this we will discuss in the Google Classroom today. I will create a folder. There you can type the name again only with the katakana. Check whether all fonts are in katakana. Right. So when it is changing to hiragana, you need to click enter. After each and every letter, you need to click enter. Make sure it's katakana and then type. Otherwise, you go to the hiragana, right click and change it into katakana. Then fully you will get in katakana. You get what I'm telling?
Yeah.
This one, right here. If it is in hiragana and you type Divya Priya. See, it is combination is there, right? Divya Priya-san, it is in hiragana.
Yeah.
You have to just type pu and keep on, you press a space. It will show you all the possibilities. So katakana pu also will be there. Once it is there, then you click enter. Then you will set with the right spelling. If something change, you type it, right? Keep pressing space until you get the required one. And then if you want this one, you press enter, that will stay as it is. Try it out. So it is easy. Typing is easy, but sometimes when we type one, something else will be there. So it's nothing but small changes. You have to individually focus on those letters and change it, then type enter, then space. So try it. Don't worry. We will do activities in typing also. So you will do it without error in future. No problem.
Sensei, some of the characters are turning in katakana, but some of the characters are not turning in katakana in my key while typing.
Which word? Can you share screen?
Wait a minute.
Yes, Vishal-san, very good. Hiragana, yes.
Is it visible, Sensei?
Yes.
Like if I type
Can you
Sensei,
Word file or something like that, notepad, something like that.
Wait a minute.
Hi, Sensei, I'll leave.
That is, who?
Divya Priya.
Yes, Divya-san, you can try it and no
Yeah.
Sensei, is it visible?
doubts next week.
Yeah. Okay. Arigato, sensei.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Is it visible, Sensei?
Gozaimasu. Yes.
Now I tried clicking katakana and I type like go, it doesn't work.
Did you restart?
No. It didn't pop up a message of restart actually.
Alright. You have it as A, right? Just change it into A, hiragana A. You click it.
As I click on hiragana and click on katakana, but katakana sometimes don't work. Like
Because you have to restart. Once you restart once and let me know now.
okay, I am restarting, Sensei.
Restart and join back.
Hi.
Yes, what about Amar-san, Ganapati-san, Saravanan-san, Loganathan?
Sensei, I have shared my name in chat box. Can you see? Ganapati and Subramanian.
Please share it in the directly to me, right? Not to Hayakawa.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Because I will not be able to see.
Can you see now?
Kindly change the 2 to my name and Padmavati, right? So please send it to me. Yes.
Yes.
Not. Yes. Yes, I can see Amarnath San's message. Okay. Yes, Amarnath San. Maybe you can try it, leaving the class, install it again, try it, and please let me know it in the next class. All right. I'm not able to hear you, Amarnath San.
Sensei. I'll try in next class.
Yes. Yes, Kannan San. Okay. Yes, Loganathan San. I'm able to see your message.
My name is correct, ma'am.
Kannan. Yes, San. You should not put. It is like this, right? For our names, right? It is okay. Yes.
Sensei, I don't have PC now.
Okay. Later you try it and say if you have any doubts, you can ask me. If it is okay, no problem. But wait and check it. All right. Hi, you can leave in that case.
Okay, ma'am.
Sumimasen, Sensei.
Okay, ma'am. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Hi, arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu, Sensei.
Gozaimasu.
Sensei, it is still showing the same issue.
Did you restart so
Yes,
soon?
yes, it restarted. I came back after restarting.
Okay, just to share screen.
Hi.
Yes, Ganapati-san, I'm able to see it now. Hi.
Yeah.
So, is it visible?
Yes.
Hi. See, if I click on even hiragana and type Sensei, it
Now you
only
can
shows.
type, the A is changing. When you type, the hiragana A is changing to A again.
Okay, let me again try. So this is A. So yes, it's changing, Sensei.
So what you do is you properly shut down the computer again after some time and work it again and just check it. Otherwise, reinstall the language pack again.
Hi.
All right, remove it and reinstall it. And otherwise, please let me know if it's still in the class.
Hi. Oh, arigatou gozaimasu, Sensei.
Hi, arigatou gozaimasu. So in that case, you can write it written form also. You can write your name and upload it into the Google Classroom if you're not able to. Right.
Arigatou gozaimasu,
Sensei, if I face any problem and cannot write my name, I will tell you on Google Classroom, right?
Yes, please, yes.
Hi.
No problem.
Hi.
Hi, arigatou gozaimasu. Naveen-san, is it okay? Did you type?
Ma'am, actually, my laptop is still.
Okay. But you're able to install.
Yeah, I installed it, but it's configuring update is still going on
Oh,
for
no
for
problem. You
maintenance.
can try it out and let me know. All right.
Yes.
Next, no, by next week you must be able to type fonts.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. All right. So we will stop with this and we will meet next week. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigato gozaimasu.